she didn't
What
feel
is
it.
that?
Book.
It's the pet vet.
Wow.
It's pet vet.
Okay.
So you can be a pet doctor.
Oh, that's
I can
wonderful.
be a pet doctor.
Right?
Oh, Mimo and Rocco are gonna love that.
You're going to check out Mimo and Rocco?
That's when I can.
That's from Grandma Carolyn, too.
Um,
Open that one.
Oh, wow.
It's the kitty that you can check out with your pet vet.
Great. Oh, that's super.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
so cute. Very cute.
Oh, Rocco, you have no idea what's in store for you.
You say thank you?
thank you.
Say thank you, Grandma Carolyn.
Thank you, Grandma Carolyn.
Oh,